Hey, beauty enthusiasts! Today I'm delighted to introduce to you Purèz Phytotherapy Cleansing Lotion.
This skincare gem is packed with pure ingredients, including pure geranium essential oil. What's even more exciting is its versatility, suitable for both dry and oily skin types. However, it truly shines as a game changer for those with sensitive, allergy-prone skin. The Phytotherapy Cleansing Lotion boasts a delightful soft consistency that feels like a dream on the skin. I was particularly impressed by its ability to remove my mascara without causing any irritation or stinging sensation in my eyes. Now that's a win. And I also apply cleansing lotion to damp cotton wool to remove any other makeup that might be left on my skin. The end result? My skin feels not only clean, but also incredibly fresh. It's the perfect canvas for the next steps in my skincare routine. And speaking of which, I'm excited to follow up with the Phytotherapy Toner and Moisturizer.